My name is Mark Eger. I'm with the Placer County Probation Department, and on my free time, when I do have it, I like to bake. Recently, I competed in California State Fair and was able to win the Best of Show, which meant that I had beaten out about 450 plus different cookies from across the state. So it was pretty exciting. I start with quality ingredients, and I know that's subjective. Another key point would be vanilla. So vanilla, do not skimp on quality vanilla. Now with the flour, you never want to take the measuring cup and dip it into the flour, because that might pack the flour and you'll get more flour than the recipe calls for. What I do is I take a spoon and I pour it spoonful by spoonful into the measuring cup till I get a nice peak on it, and then I'll level it with a knife, and that makes sure that I don't get too much flour. Now with the butter, you want to make sure you use room temperature butter, all right? And the reason for that, first off, it's a heck of a lot easier to mix it, and you're not muscling the dough. But secondly, it enhances the texture of your cookie. So now when you're creaming the sugar and the fats, you want to cream it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now as I'm looking at it right now, it's getting very, very light and fluffy. And that's because I've introduced the air into the butters and the sugar, and that's going to help the texture of our cookie. We're also going to ensure that the flavors are nice and combined. So do not shorten this process. If the recipe calls for more than 1 egg, introduce the egg to the cookie dough 1 at a time, all right? If we introduce multiple eggs at the same time, then we run the risk of making the cookie crumbly after we bake them. All right.